guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saumya and you're watching Blending Drama with BYB, and we are going to do a DIY today. Of course, for that all behind me because I found that very monotonous and out of style. So I came across this idea of making photo wall and I thought it's amazing because it keeps our memories together and I just loved it. So we are going to do that, and with that I'll be covering few decorative ideas for your room. So without any further ado, let's jump to the materials. I tried to make a sketch as you can see, but I brutally failed. So I will not go further, but you can do this if you are starting, and you can make a sketch and then move ahead. So I had actually 25 these rectangular photographs and 24 of these square photographs. So I wanted to merge them and let's see how it goes. So I started with pasting the wool on the photographs with sellotape, and for stronger grip you can always use double-sided tape. And this is how it looks. Similarly I did with square ones, and yeah, and similarly you can do with all of them. How my ball looks like, and I am so proud of myself because it looks amazing, don't you think? So let me give you a closer look, and this is how it is. I just love these paper clips, and super excited. We are going to DIY lamps, and for that you just need two things. That is plain glass bottle and fairy lights. And this is the bottle of an alcohol. This is an alcohol bottle, and I just removed the sticker from it, and you can use any other bottle or shaped bottle or whatever you like. So I just put the fairy light into the bottle, and yeah, you're good to go. So this is how it looks. Isn't it amazing? I have two of these and I just love them. This is another lamp I made in past, and it is very beautiful. Just see. Whoa, it's amazing, isn't it? I just painted the bottle and pasted. First I pasted these ropes in this shape, and I just painted the bottle, and it was giving so beautiful texture because it was old monk's bottle, and I just loved it, and put that fairy light into it, and I was good to go. Though it's not part of DIY, but I just wanted to show. Time for another DIY, and now I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful flat pots from these colors. And you see, I love nature. See, so I love nature, and these are so inexpensive, and you can find them anywhere. And I'm gonna reuse them and show you how it isn't. So guys, this is how it looks, and I painted them. I gave them a gradient look actually, and I am so obsessed with gradient. So guys, for this one, I basically painted with acrylic paint and used colored marbles, and I just love it. And for this one, I used watercolors and colored pebbles and normal pebbles as well, and it is giving nice effect. And basically, I use watercolor because it can give a better gradient effect, and as you can see in this one, it is normal, but it was not mixing properly. So these are my final creations and I just love it. That's it for the video, and I hope you try these out, and next time, bye.